What's going on, guys? Rebuilds NI here, back with a new video. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to pop ball joints in this car because two of the threads off the ball joint actually broke clean off. I know we could just replace these, but two of these only cost £13 on, so I goes, fuck it, we'll just order two new ones. We'll put them in. So we need one this side, but I might as well do both of them while we're doing it. So I'm going to record putting this one in, and then I'm going to actually rub these brakes down and give them a wee bit of paint. Now I'm not going to go too mad with them because, let's be truthful, the wheels I've got on, you'll not really see them. So yeah, let's get cracking. Before we start, you need, I don't know why, you'll need a 16mm, if you're doing a Golf anyway, you need a 16mm and 18mm. Pretty weird like, but yeah, you're going to need them. And I've actually tried loosening them nuts before I started this video. That's why when I'm going to loosen them here, they're probably going to look easy, because I've already loosened them just so it would save all the hassle during the video. So anyway, guys, let's get cracking and get these in.
Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights, and I'm drowning in the noise like a free fall, walking along my path for too long. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself
my life for this. This one part, this 1/3 I've always missed. No, just don't let it go. I started the fight, but now I'm losing. So will I fall again? I'm scared of heights, yet it was me who ran away.
So you have it, guys. You got your 316 bolts here, just unscrew them from underneath, and your 18mm nut here. Now I found that very difficult to get out, and I broke my flipping nose there, snapped it clean in half. I just cut it so I did. So anyway, let's start the process, put it back in.
Oh, I can't forgive, can't forget myself. The peace that I'm missing, it kills me inside. I need help, oh please give me back. This one part, this 1/3, I'm sorry I lost it.
No, I let my weapons fall. I'm drowning in the fears, and now I know that I will fall again and let it go, but I can't stop to run away. To run away.
So you have it, guys, have it in all. The only thing is this here still, I haven't tightened this here, but I'm gonna wait I get my brother up later and he's gonna stand on this while I get it tightened. If you've any other ways to tighten them, let the comment down below, but I'm on my own, so I can't really flip and pry down on this while trying to tighten this. So I'll just leave that to later, as long as I remember. But that there wee bottom ball joints in now, so that's good. So we're gonna start sanding these. I'm only gonna do this side and on camera, and then I'll do the rest off camera, and I'll show you the progress in the next video, because I have a lot of things to do when I take the wheels off and stuff, and just haven't time to do it all in this video. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to start sanding these down with a wee bit of 120, and I'm just going to paint them with a paintbrush. So we'll see how it goes. You know, it's first time for everything, so let's carry on. So there you have it, guys. Haven't painted all black. I was going to paint them blue, but the blue wasn't sitting right, so I just painted them black. Just look far cleaner and new. So what I'm going to do now is end the video here, and if you like the video, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe if you're new. Anyway, that's Rebuilds out.